Welcome to Horsepower Card, and in this video I will show you how to model a two-story building in a Revit. Just a simple design. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so I'm using the new version 2025 Revit. So in case you are using any other version, we can still use this tutorial to learn something. So I'll start from new. So new, then by default we have these two templates. So I have to load my default metric. So I'll go to browse, then I'll load from my template English, then default metric. I'll use that one. Then okay, so I'll wait for the software to open. All right, so this is Revit 2025. You can choose to change the interface anyhow you want it. It depends on how you want it. You can choose to change it to white, and also, so that's not the issue. The issue is to design the two-story building. Very simple design. So I'll start with my wall. Okay, bear in mind that we don't start with walls like that. So we have to set levels based on my videos I've done already. How to set levels, how to constrain walls. You can find all these videos on my channel. So let's go to elevations, the south. We have these two default levels over here. One thing is we want to move very fast. So I'll be skipping some things because it's a modeling. We are not going to do any detail work in this design. So just external wall, then we put out something. So let's levels, shortcut LL, or you can pick it from the architecture tab, the datum side, level. Then I'll add my ground floor level 450. Then I'll add my roof, then parapet. So this is how it is. So these levels indicated black over here are not showing me at this side. So what I will do is to undo, then I'll pick my level, then I'll check this create plan view. So I'll check this then before I add my levels. But if you are using later versions, you can find those ones. So I'll add this, then I'll add another one here. So I'll change this one to my ground floor. This one, level 1 will be my ground level. Then this one will be my first floor. Then here will be my roof. Then here will be my parapet. Because it's a hidden roofing. So I have to set my building height. The height, so from first floor to the ground floor, from here to here, will be 3,200. The same thing apply. 3,200. Enter. Then the parapet will be 1,200. Okay, so I'm done with the levels. So let's start from the ground floor. So I'll open my ground floor. You can open it at the floor plan this side. Okay, so let's start with the plan. I'll pick wall, edit type. I'll change. I won't duplicate, but I'll rename. You can choose to duplicate but I won't duplicate. I'll rename. So I'll rename it to 150. Then I'll go okay. Then I'll change it to the thickness to 150. Then let me change my material because I don't like this default wall material. I don't like that one. So I'll make it my wall. Then I'll click on this asset browser. So to display, make I wall paint. And I'll locate this paint. Okay. So now I have to constrain it to first floor. If I'm going fast, it's not my fault. Yeah, I'm working with time. So, so I have recorded about 6 minutes of this just from the intro to this level. So let's move on. So I'll start wall. Just any dimension from here. We are not measuring back. Just simple dimension. I'll come this way all the way here. Then let me come this way. Go this way. Let me go this way. Let me trim. I think okay. This okay. Let's say this is the ground plan. The ground floor plan. Let me indicate some small walls over here. Yeah. Okay. Let me indicate another one over here so that I can position my windows and the walls. Okay, so this side, let me pull this side so a little bit. Okay, so this side will be where the staircase will be. We are not going to model a staircase. We are just doing the exterior like what we do in SketchUp. We are not going to do the internal part. So let me add windows. So I'll load family for you can choose to use the default one. So I'll load my window family. I'll use the room ones. The cell height is 900. So I'll place one here. Then I'll place another one here. I'll place another one here. Then at the front, I'll place another one to here. Let me move this one a little bit. Then okay. Then the window, let me add washroom to the cell height based on my room height. I'll use 1700. If the window is not showing, we are not doing a detail work over here. So there is no need. If you want it to show or appear on the plan, you can use the view ring. Then you increase the cut plane to go above the cell height of the window. So like this. So I've used 1800. The cell height is 1700 for the washroom window. Based on the washroom window height. That's why I use 1700. And I also place another window over here. That will be a kitchen window. So that's one cell height will be 1200. 1200. Okay. So let's check from the 3D. This at okay. There's it. Let's continue. Let's move to the first floor. We are moving very fast. The first floor. So on the first floor. The first floor. Okay, so first floor. Let's start from here. Then we go all the way to this side. Click. 600. Some cantilever. Then we click. Then I continue from here. We move here. Go this way. Then I'll start from here. 600. Then I'll move from there to here. Okay. Then I'll move from this side. Like this. So this is the top. So let's add the windows and the doors. So on the ground floor, we have to add 1.5 door over here. So I'll go to door, load family. I'll load it from my family's door. Now let me use the external doors. 1.5 door. 10 1.5. Let me use this one. Okay, let me reduce the rate. Rough rate. The rough rate. Let me use 1,200. Okay. So I'll place one here. Then I'll use single door. Load family again. Then single door. I'll place it here. Okay. So first floor, let's add the windows and the door. So windows. Let's add the washroom window. 1,700 so height. 1,700. One will be here. Then another one will be here. Then normal room window. Room. Let's add one over here. Another one over here. Let's move this wall a little bit. Let's move this one. Then let's align this one to this. Let's shift this window. Let's move this one. Okay. Window. Let's place one window over here. Another window over here. Another window over here. Another window over here. Okay, let's ignore this one. I'll copy it from the ground floor to the first floor. Let's add the washroom window at this side. 2,700 so height. Then this window I'll select, copy, align to selected level. I'll go to first floor. The same apply to the door. Copy, align to first floor. So I can have my doors in here. So first floor, let me cut this opening. So I'll cut this opening over here. Then the same thing, I'll cut this one too. Let me cut here too. Let me check from 3D. Let's see. Okay. So negative 450. Negative 450. So in case we want here to be 450, let me reduce this side to 750 so that we can step that side 750. Then here too. Or okay, let's use the 450. 450. Let's add floor. To floor, architecture, pick floor, select line. Then you draw all the way around. So I'll attach. Okay. So this side will be a curtain wall. And at the top here, we will add the parapet wall. So let me go to the roof level. Then I'll underlay the first floor. So I'll pick wall. So I'll pick wall. Then I'll draw like this. Then I'll pick floor. I'll add floor. It's just a modeling, so we are not doing any detail work in this design. Okay. Then on this side too, you add a wall over there. So wall, I will change the constraint. Let me do it 500. Then I'll add a wall from here to here, then here, like this. Then I'll go there. I'll select the floor. Then I'll add this side. Then I'll trim. Don't attach. Okay. So this is the model. Let's continue. We are not done yet. We have about 10 minutes. The 10 minutes to end the part 1. Okay. So let me add the curtain wall at this side. So I'll go to ground floor. I'll pick wall. I'll scroll down. I'll pick curtain wall, edit type. I'll check this command. Then I'll go okay. Then the unconnected, I will change it to roof. From ground floor to roof. Then the base offset, I'll make it 500. Then I'll start from here. Place space. I'll make it 1800. Then, so this is the curtain wall. So I have to reduce it. So the top constraint or the top offset, I have to reduce it. Let me say negative negative 700. Okay, negative 700 is okay. Then there is a floor passing through the skirting wall, so I have to edit that floor. I have to edit it. So I'll select this skirting wall. I'll go to edit type. Then the grid, maximum spacing. Let me use 900. Then the horizontal grid too. Let me use 900. Then I'll go okay, like this. So I'll use the mullion to okay, mullion. Then I'll check the all grid. Then it will be like this. Okay. Then at this first floor, let's add railings over here. So railings, first floor. I'll pick railings. I'll change it to the glass panel. So I'll start from here. Click, continue. Okay, so the railings will be like this. Then at the ground, this side, we're supposed to add a wall from this ground level to this ground floor. But because it's a modeling, I'll use the floor to do that. But when you are designing and when you are doing editor work, it shouldn't be that way. So I'll go to ground floor. I'll pick floor. I'll go to edit type. I'll rename it. I'll use the height I use at the ground floor height from the ground level, 450. 450. Now go okay. Okay. For our pick line, then start. So I'll check. So you'll find it like this. Instead of using a wall, we can use the floor when you are modeling, but you can't use it when you are doing detail work. Okay, so let's add the staircase or a threshold. Ground level, select stairs, monolithic stairs. Then you draw from ground floor upwards like that. Check okay. You come this way, the same thing. Then I'll delete these railings. I'll delete this one too. Delete this one too. Then you can find a space over here. So double click on this staircase. Then you click on it again. Edit type. Then enter your 450 over here. Select OK. So So this is the design. Let me change it to realistic. So this floor, we have to duplicate this floor. So I'll go to edit type. I'll duplicate it. Make it 150. Then 150. Okay. Alright. So this is how. And let me add one curtain wall at this side to increase the appearance of this building. So I'll go to ground floor. Do I'll pick curtain wall. Curtain wall. So I'll use 1 meter is okay. Then I'll click. Okay. So the top constraint -700. Then I'll edit this floor. I'll split trim. So we have about just 4 minutes to end the part 1. So let's add mullion or grid. Okay. Let's add a copy at this side. So I'll go to roof, component, model in place, casework. I'll use the sweep, sketch. I'll sketch my path. So I'll finish edit profile at the south. So I'll change it to wireframe. Then I'll pick rectangle. I'll start from here. Then I'll finish. Then I'll go to roof again. The same casework. Then I'll use sweep, sketch path. I'll start from here. I'll sketch my path. So I'm aligning it to the center of this wall. Okay, so finish, edit profile, south. So I'll pick this shape. Then I'll move it to this side. So I'll finish. Okay, so this will be the end of the part 1. 30 minutes. We have able to do this within 30 minutes. So in the next 30 minutes, you add some little aesthetics and the landscape to make the design beautiful. So see you in the next video. Thank you.